Oh, that's my turn off for home, I'm just passing. It's Sunday. I'm on a little jolly today, heading up to Livy on a double decker. Well, not on it, I'm in it. It's empty. The RSU for some reason today is not open till 8 o'clock, so driving around looking for a decker this morning when I got the keys in my truck, opening them all up, looking for some rubbish in the back to take up. Nothing there. Rang the office, he went, oh, just hook onto an empty, Steve. We'll not keep you waiting, just get yourself away. Whoop, whoop. On my way. So it was still 8 o'clock when I got out though, 7 AM start. 20 past 8 now and I've literally just passed mine. In Livingston for 11:25. And it will be that because I'm not going to stop, just crack on. I literally, on Friday night, after that awful accident, thoughts go out to the family. A lady passed away, awful. Well, I got swung around there, pardon my French, when I was yapping onto the coppers, by the way. They were just cracking. No malice between men out, he was a nice lad. It wasn't truck friendly, the route to get me back onto the A69 further down. Just a bit too early to get onto the old military road and the other road that I was planning out. So I just, he says you can sit it out and wait until 8:30 when it reopens, but my card was put in at 6 AM, so I was finished at 9 PM on a 15 hours. Long enough, eh? However, I told him that. I said, my car will be knackered. It's like, I just have to swing around and go down, join the 66 and come across that way. Totally fine. Got through, phoned the yard. Excuse me. I phoned the yard up and explained the situation, and I was like, aye, just keep us in touch. And I said, well, if I have to night out, I'll night out. So I appreciate that. And luckily for me, one of the lads who I get on really well with, brilliant guy, was on the phone to him explaining what had been going on. He went, well, just let us know where you are, and if I can, I'll come and get you, which was amazing. So I really appreciated that. Like, but I had a feeling I would be there or thereabouts. It was one of them. It depended how the A66 was going to go, and I had to shave some like 16-17 minutes off me sat nav, which I did. I got to the yard, through the gates, 14 hours 59 minutes. Unbelievable. I literally parked it up on the fence. They knew what was going on in the office. They knew I was nearly there and I'm going to go for it, blah 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 blah. And I just parked it up the fence, and shouldn't have come straight over. You out of time, mate, I am. And he jumped in, took over, brilliant. My card was out, my bag's out, signed out and away. Long day, but and it's the reasons that it was. I mean, Amazon was an absolute git, by the way. Total git, trying to find it, and it's not even, it doesn't even bloody see Amazon. There's a stupid little sandwich board, seeing Amazon Flex or something like that. Yeah, that held us up a bit. The accident happened at 10 to 4 in the afternoon, so I wouldn't have been down anyway. Just sad, really sad. I hate it. I mean, everybody does, I'm sure. So it's like it's a little bimble today. I'm just out for a drive, going up north. A little bit windy. Well, The wind's picked up quite a bit, like, I'm getting blown all over the shop. I'm getting blown all over the place. Blown all over the shop. Know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? River Tweed. And breathe. Well, I got here at 11:30, fueled up, dropped the trailer, and unfortunately for me, it wasn't ready. It is now 20 to 2 and I'm just about to go and look for it. Just said it's ready, gives the paperwork. One of them in it. Just past each other. Go back the way I come. So the shunter's just taking it off now and he's going around where I've been parked up. Sometimes when I get them it'll be frozen this, and when I do get this early run it's always on that far side where I normally go when I'm pulling the singles. I just mind getting reversed on there. Hey ho. So literally I was parked right behind that. 622? Yeah, that's my baby. Right, nice and simple, hooked on, ready to get out of here. Getting a bit niggly, I think I'm getting old. Level up. Make sure the trailer comes with us as I pull away. Exactly 150 miles. Back in the yard for 5:30. Back in the house for 6:30. Well, it's 4:45 and we've still got sunlight. Great. Already we're getting later nights again. More noticeable now though. Ah, what a difference a day makes. It's Monday the 14th
Once again, 7 o'clock double deckers. I'm just around the Berwick area at the moment. Absolutely beautiful. It's freezing now, well, it's 2 degrees outside, but what a difference from yesterday. Blowing a hoolie coming through here. Just gorgeous. No problems in the yard this morning, apart from trying to hook underneath the decker because I'm in the 18 plate Scania, and the Kingpin, the fifth wheel wasn't clipping across because it's so new, it's not worked itself loose enough yet, so it's backing on, like no clicking in, like, what's that, maybe a little bit too low or whatever, so raised it a bit more, went back in, still the same noise, went on and on, went out, manually lowered the trailer in case somebody dropped the trailer with the legs too high, making it awkward for me to clip on, even though all lined up. I was underneath and I just couldn't work it out, and it literally was, in the end, sussed it was the handle wasn't moving across to lock the fifth wheel on, so I got that out of the way, and then on the way out the road, it was like 7:30 when I left the yard, so I just had all the traffic really right up until the Cromlin turn off. Quite busy. Same time due in the yard as yesterday, 11:30. Again, I've only got a couple of pallets on the back. I've got about 6 on the top deck and 2 on the bottom. I had nothing to take up. So if there's nothing on the bay, I'll go in straight away, put the truck and trailer on the bay, empty it and then fuel up. If there's people waiting to get on, then I'll quickly fuel up and then get in the queue. Well, that took just 16 minutes to take those few off. Brilliant.
Doesn't it? And
well, my truck and trailer, my trailer is ready. I went in, but I need to take a 30, so I've only got 1 more minute to go, and then I'm around to hook it up. Just messed about with the DAB radio. Somebody who was in here just had all BBC radio stations tuned into it. Not anymore. .44 minutes. Come on, man. I'm ready to rock. I could be back in the yard for 4:30. Imagine that. Take as long as normal. Alright then, catch us downhill, flying. Agustin Castle. Hey, absolute cracking day today, like shift wise, brilliant. Weather fantastic. Hard to believe it's the middle of January, 14th of January today. It's just absolutely glorious. And it's cold outside, I know it's 5 or 6 degrees, but I wish I was out on the bike. I've just been looking at the sea there just off Bamborough, and the way the waves are rolling in like dead high but smooth. Heaven. This is where they've got some roadworks going on, and it's telling you to slow down because it's going into one lane, as you can see here. This is going to be going on for the next fortnight. Just need to be careful. Plus I've got frozen -21 on the back. -21. I'm off for the next 3. I'm in Friday, so I'll do Saturday, Sunday as well. I'm going to go watch Laurel and Hardy tomorrow night. And treat, because we've been dry January, proper diety stuff as well. Lost loads of weight in the last 2 weeks. It's crackers. I thought that bull there had his head stuck in the bucket. That is a big bull. So we're going to Nando's first. Looking forward to it. Newcastle are on telly as well, and I'm not even going to watch it. Yep. Going out to Wallace instead. Alright, it's only because I pre-booked it. Damn! Didn't realise that Newcastle were playing tomorrow. Shh. Well, not too far away now. 40 minutes. I'm in the Stannington area. And then they get Morpeth, Cramlington, Gosforth, and then over the other side. So like I say, I've got a couple of days off, 3 days, quite a bit on, but I've got plenty of time to put my vlogs together from the last 3 shifts. So hopefully enjoy those. I shall catch you all again real soon. Thank you for watching. You're more than welcome to hit subscribe if you haven't already. It would be grand. Take care, everyone. Cue cheesy music time.